Hi everyone, welcome back to 5-Minute Chinese. Today we are learning an idiom that might save you from a lot of frustration. But first, a quick Chinese listening test. Listen to this short conversation.
A. 我每天跟他解释怎么用电脑，他总是不懂。B. 哎呀，你这是在对牛弹琴啊。Now, the question is, what is the key idiom that person B used? The answer has 4 characters. Remember it, and I'll give you the answer later in the video. Let's get started.
The idiom is 对牛弹琴. Let's break it down word by word. 对 means to or towards.
对
牛 means cow or ox.
牛
弹 here it means to play an instrument.
弹
琴 it's a term for a stringed instrument like a 古琴 or a piano.
琴对牛弹琴对牛弹琴对牛弹琴
So literally it means to play the lute to a cow. Now imagine if you are a brilliant musician playing beautiful music for a cow. What does the cow do? It just stands there, eats grass, and doesn't understand or appreciate your music at all. So the real meaning of 对牛弹琴 is to speak or explain something to the wrong audience. It's when you are wasting your time and effort because the listener is incapable of understanding what you are saying. In English, there are similar expressions like cast pearls before swine or preach to a deaf ear. There's even an ancient story behind this idiom. A famous musician once tried to play the most elegant music for his cow, hoping it would be moved. Of course, the cow just ignored him. This story perfectly captures the feeling of futility. Let's see how we use it in a modern sentence. The structure is usually a person 是在对牛弹琴. This is my cat, Sky. He's sleeping on the couch. Aw, Sky. Trying to explain quantum physics to my cat is 对牛弹琴. Hello, Sky. Sky is sleeping soundly. If you talk painting with someone who doesn't love art, you are 对牛弹琴. This is my daughter's coloring book. I think it's a dragon head. He doesn't understand social media at all. Discussing our new strategy with him was like 对牛弹琴. Now let's practice our listening comprehension. Please listen carefully to the following 2 sentences and see if you can identify today's key idiom.
我花了半小时跟我爸爸解释智能手机的新功能，结果完全是对牛弹琴。我花了半小时跟我爸爸解释智能手机的新功能，结果完全是对牛弹琴。我花了半小时跟我爸爸解释智能手机的新功能，结果完全是对牛弹琴。他想让2岁的孩子理解数学公式，这根本就是对牛弹琴。他想让2岁的孩子理解数学公式，这根本就是对牛弹琴。他想让2岁的孩子理解数学公式， 这根本就是对牛弹琴。
So to recap today, today's idiom is 对牛弹琴. It means to speak to the wrong audience, and you also can use it when someone just doesn't get it.
Now, back to our listening test at the beginning. Did you catch the idiom? Person B said, 你这是在对牛弹琴啊。She was telling her friend that explaining computer stuff to him was like playing music to a cow. 对牛弹琴。
Now it's your turn. Have you ever had a 对牛弹琴 moment? Maybe with a confused friend or a family member, or even your pet? Tell me in the comments down below. I'm Valentina. Thank you for staying with me. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more 5-minute Chinese lessons. I'll see you in the next one. 再见。